When it comes to choosing the right CRM for your business, Ruby is one that frequently pops up. But before you hit that buy button, there are a few things you need to know that could make or break your decision. This video will dive into 7 key aspects of Ruby that will help you make an informed decision and understand how it stacks up against the competition. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also give you a special offer to try Ruby completely free. Let's jump right into it. The first thing to consider is Ruby's focus on customer interaction. Unlike traditional CRMs, which often just manage contacts and data, Ruby is built with a heavy emphasis on customer engagement. It offers live virtual receptionists that answer calls, live chat support, and even handles customer queries, all of which are customizable. This means that if you're looking for something more than just data management, Ruby could be your solution. It's much more hands-on than many competitors like Salesforce, which focuses primarily on CRM and data management rather than live customer interaction. Next thing, Ruby stands out with its flexibility for remote teams. Unlike a lot of CRMs, Ruby is cloud-based and offers remote receptionist services. This means whether your team is in the office or working remotely, Ruby provides a seamless way to ensure calls are answered and messages are handled without missing a beat. This makes it a perfect solution for small businesses and teams who need a virtual presence without investing in a physical office or additional staff. This can be a huge advantage over traditional CRMs, which are typically more rigid and require more on-site infrastructure. The third thing you need to know about Ruby is the pricing. Ruby isn't the cheapest CRM out there, but it offers a unique set of services that are hard to find elsewhere. You'll get not only the CRM features, but also access to live receptionist services, call screening, and even lead qualification. When comparing this to competitors like HubSpot, which offer free CRM versions but don't include live receptionist services, Ruby becomes a clear choice if you're looking for an all-in-one solution, especially for growing businesses. The fourth thing that sets Ruby apart is its integration capabilities. While Ruby integrates well with tools like G Suite and Microsoft Office, it's also got some deeper integrations that make it easy to sync with other business tools you might already be using. Whether it's scheduling software, your accounting tools, or your marketing platforms, Ruby works to ensure your team can continue using the tools they're familiar with. Some CRMs are harder to integrate with, which can cause frustrations if you're juggling multiple systems. Next, Ruby's user interface. It's clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. For someone new to CRMs or someone who doesn't want to spend hours learning a complicated interface, Ruby makes the learning curve much more manageable. It's not overly technical, which makes it ideal for entrepreneurs or small business owners who need a functional solution without getting bogged down by unnecessary complexity. Unlike some other CRMs like Zoho, which might overwhelm users with their vast array of features, Ruby keeps things simple and straightforward. The sixth thing to note is Ruby's customer support. When you're using a CRM, support is crucial, especially when you're working with features like live receptionist services. Ruby excels in this department, offering 24/7 support via phone, email, and chat. This is a huge plus for business owners who can't afford to wait for help, especially during business-critical moments. Many competitors, like Pipedrive, have limited support options and can leave you hanging when you need assistance most. Finally, let's talk about scalability. As your business grows, so do your needs, and Ruby's scalability ensures that it can handle your evolving demands. Whether you're adding new team members, expanding to new markets, or integrating additional tools, Ruby can scale alongside you. Compared to competitors like Freshsales, which offers more basic scalability features, Ruby's ability to grow with you gives it a significant edge for long-term success. If you're thinking about trying Ruby, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description below to get access to an exclusive free trial so you can see how it works for your business. You'll get a first-hand look at all the features that make Ruby unique, and I'll bet you'll be impressed with what it offers. So, there you have it. Ruby stands out in the CRM space because of its focus on live interaction, flexible remote services, integration capabilities, and user-friendly interface. It's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a solution that does more than just store data. If you want to give it a shot, don't forget to use the link below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits.